Missing crucial emails on your iPhone? Let's dive into troubleshooting steps to get those messages flowing again. First, tap on the Settings app, then scroll down and select Mail. Inside Mail Settings, tap on Accounts to view all the email accounts set up on your iPhone. Select the email account that's giving you trouble. Ensure the account toggle is switched on, enabling email syncing. Next, verify that the mail toggle is also enabled. This allows the specific email account to receive and send emails. Go back to the main mail settings screen and tap on Fetch New Data. This setting controls how often your iPhone checks for new emails. If push is enabled, your iPhone will receive emails as soon as they arrive. If not, you can manually choose Fetch, setting a frequency like every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, or hourly, but remember that this will not give immediate results. A stable internet connection is crucial. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have sufficient cellular data. Try opening a website or other app that requires internet to test this. If you're still experiencing issues, navigate back to the main settings screen and select General. Scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes interfere with email syncing. Ensure Set Automatically is toggled on. This will ensure your iPhone has the correct date and time. Finally, try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Just press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. You should be all set.